What are your thoughts on the first day of training?
I am very happy with the team. I think it's very good training. The attitude for the players is very professional and ambitious. And I think in the next days it's possible to work more and to improve slowly. But it's important to start the season well, and I think the next days in Spain is good for us, for the level of the opponent teams. But today is very good to work the players, and I am very happy. The first day with the Indian players, but I know the Indian players. I watched a lot of videos and matches about these players in the other teams. To prepare the draft is necessary to know the players, and with the staff in the club work to prepare the draft. And the first time in touch with the players in the first training, I am very happy for the level, but I think in the next days it's possible to know more personal and professional.
Bueno, tenía ganas de vivir una nueva experiencia y me habían hablado compañeros que había jugado yo en España muy bien de aquí y bueno, he tenido la oportunidad que el míster confiaba en mí y venir aquí y espero pues competir, jugar bien y aportar todo lo que sé a los compañeros de aquí y al club.
I want a new challenge, I want a different challenge, and then also I spoke to a lot of my previous teammates, etc., who have already come from Spain. They gave me a very good reference, so there was all the reason to come here. And the head coach also trusted in me to come here and play for his team. So that was the whole primary motivation for coming to India.
What are his impressions on the Indian players?
¿Qué pareces del nivel de los jugadores indios?
Sí, la verdad que las primeras impresiones han sido positivas. He visto buenos jugadores en el rondo y poco a poco los iremos conociendo más, pero han sido muy buenas.
The first impressions were actually very good. We saw a couple of them in a few of their drills. The level of their playing skill is quite high. So we'll get to know them bit by bit as the trainings go on, but as of now, very good.
It's good to get back to Goa. It was a very nice feeling. I'm very happy to be back. I wanted to come back earlier, but unfortunately it wasn't possible. But now it's after the first training, I'm sure that I made the right option to come back this year.
First day training under Coach Lobera. Any thoughts?
Yeah, no, we already had a little meeting with him where he transmits us his thoughts of the game, how he wants to play. And I think that it's wonderful. His ideas of the game, I think all the people will like the kind of football that we will play. So I'm very excited to start the league.
Okay.
To reach the semi-final, and obviously I want to score more goals in the last day.
Your observations on the training method of the new coach. I understand it's just the first day, comparatively to Zico.
I trained in Villarreal in Spain last year for 2 weeks. It's similar to this. So it's different from Zico. Zico's style was different, and his style is different.
It's very nice. It's more like Spanish. Like we play more like short passes and many passing drills, and everything is with the ball. So it was a pretty good session, and I'm looking forward to more now.
La verdad es que tenemos pues muy buen equipo.
The truth is that it's been a very good first session. Obviously we have to adapt ourselves a little bit to the conditions and everything, but you know, we're very happy with the way we've all worked together. We're very surprised at the level of the Indian players as well. So overall it was a very good first session.